ascent up through main engine cutoff.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
Discovery Houston, 20 seconds to LOS TDRS.
Roger, it's nice to be in orbit.
Discovery, nominal MECO, OMS 1 not required.
Discovery Houston, we're still looking at it.
Houston Discovery, how do you read? And Houston Discovery? Houston Discovery, go ahead.
And Discovery Houston, we've got a good picture of Steve.
Discovery, roger, go for deploy.
Discovery, go at throttle up.
Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Discovery, your go for APU shutdown on time.